this Kanban board. Here you can see all the issues, epics, and all these issues are available. Bug is also there. You can see bug is there. Now what I want to have only bugs or only any specific issue type. So how we can do that? How to add filter in the Jira board? Go to configure. Here in this, here you can see the edit filter formula. Let's open in the new tab. You can see it's showing project STA and all. Okay, what I want and issue type equal to epic search. So now I can see only 9 issues. Let me save it. Once you will save this filter, go to your board configuration, refresh the page. Okay, go to back to board. Here you can see only epics. You cannot see other issue types. So like this you can add any filter or change any filter in the board. Let me show you one more thing. So you can see this is a filter query which is used by, and it's using rank. Okay, and the project permission are all there. Sometime if you are using the complex query, this filter will not work. We'll discuss that in the another video. Thank you for watching.